Hey guys, my name is Diamond Mine and welcome back to my channel. So today's wig is being sponsored by Myfirstwig. This is their 12-inch Silky lace frontal bob wig. This wig has 6 inches of parting space. Yes, you heard me correctly. 6 inches of parting space. Now it does come with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and of course adjustable straps. So let's go ahead and put the wig on. The fitting of this wig is perfect. The only adjustments I need to do is just make it a little bit tighter in the back. The hairline on this wig is also perfect as well. I did not have to do any type of plucking. Alright, so let's get into the fun part, the parting space. 6 inches of parting space all around this wig is crazy. Like, let me get into it a little bit more. Let me show you guys how far back 6 inches of parting space goes. Like, unbelievable. This is crazy. Let me get my measuring tape. 6 inches for a fact. Even if I part my hair on the side, I'm still getting 6 inches. Yes, come on, my first wig. What a way to step it up. So the thickness and the density on this wig is crazy. I'm going to try to get like a bang on this wig without any type of cutting. The crazy thing about this wig is the density is normal, but this hair has so much volume. I want you guys just to look at when I flat iron this hair, just how much body is in this wig. The way this wig is coming through right now is definitely giving me a natural hair vibe. This is pretty much what the wig is looking like, which is only applying a flat iron. Again, I did not have to do any type of plucking to this hairline. Only thing I did was tint the lace, which is typically a must, you know, in order to get a natural look on your lace. And of course, I'm going to apply some foundation to get that part to look even more natural. But this 6-inch parting space on this wig is selling this wig, and the body on this wig is crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and try to get a bang with this wig without cutting it, because I definitely want to wear this wig in its straight style without having like a cut hairstyle on the side, because this wig is really beautiful, and like I said, it's definitely giving me natural hair vibes. So I'm going to take my flat iron and curl my hair going back. Also, for those of you guys who are not familiar with Myfirstwig is a wig company that is dedicated to providing wigs to those who are new to wearing wigs. So basically, you're going to get a wig in the mail that you don't have to do anything to. You pretty much put the wig on and you go. However, you will have to do like bleaching or tinting the lace using foundation, or you can use some bleach. That's the only thing you're going to have to do to the lace to get a more natural look. But other than that, no plucking, no cutting, nothing. This is simply one of those companies that provide a wig that you don't have to do anything to besides the tinting of the lace. So all purchasing information will be below, and as you guys can see, you can get 2 looks with this one wig without doing any type of cutting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys get the opportunity to check out this 6-inch parting space on this wig. It is amazing. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye.